Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be reviewing the chubory f89 drone and unboxing it, of course. So here's the drone box itself. It has a drone photo on it. It tells you what the drone does. It has a camera in it. It's Wi-Fi. It has a Wi-Fi in it, and it has nice lights in it in the back, and it's foldable. So that's actually, and I'm pretty sure this has a carry case in it. So let's see when we open the box. So right here I've got the drone and we're gonna open it. Okay, so the carry case, I have to take out the carry case. I'll take that out and I'll close this box and put the box aside. So we've got the carry case right here. It just says chubory on it right here, chubory. It has a nice handle, one zip, so it's easier. And yeah, it's pretty simple. It's a nice case. It's hard, so if it drops, it takes some damage, and like it saves your drone from getting damaged. So yeah, let's open it. So right here I've opened the drone and we've got these things over it. I'm pretty sure this is for it tells you what the controller does for this one, and this one tells you what the drone does, like the camera and how do you connect the Wi-Fi for the camera and the app and everything. These two papers they're pretty important, so I'll put these right here. And then we've got the drone itself. I'll show you this after, but I'll put this aside for now. And then we've got the controller. It's a nice looking controller, and this opens so you can put your phone and then you're chilling. Batteries are not included in this. You have to put some batteries. And this power button, and yeah, this is where the batteries go. This is, yeah. Next video we're gonna fly this. That's for next video, but for now we're gonna unbox it. So I'll close this and put this right here, and then we've got the drone itself. It's a pretty small drone, but it's foldable, and you don't need a permit for this, so anyone can really fly it anywhere except national parks. But yeah, so we'll open this up. Pretty sure you open the big ones first, and then you open the small one. After it opens, it gets pretty big, and then you put the batteries right here. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. It comes with two batteries. So here's the first battery, here's the second battery. We'll put these right here. We'll talk about them after. So here's the drone, like I showed you guys. The camera, it's 1080p HD camera. It's I'm pretty sure this has a stabilizer on it, so if it like takes wind, it can like absorb it. So yeah, a power button. This is where the battery goes. There's a sensor right here. There's lights here. There's a speaker right here. More lights for the wiper and those. It says drone f89. This is propellers. There's even propeller guards in this, I'm pretty sure. We'll have to check that. And then we'll put the propeller guards on this. And then now I'm just gonna put this right here. That's the drone. Now here in this upper thing, we've got some more extra propellers, a screwdriver, and we've got propeller guards. So we'll put these propeller guards at the end of the video. We've got the charger right here. Or here's the charger for the batteries. So I'll put the charger right there. The batteries, you can't forget the batteries. So there's two batteries that last 20 minutes. So yeah, they last 20 minutes, and it's direct charging from this. So that's nice. It's faster. And yeah, I'll put these right here. And then lastly, not least, we've got the manual. So this manual is actually pretty useful. It tells you how to fly the drone and how to put on the propeller guards and everything about the drone. It's actually really useful, and everything about the controller. Yeah, and then on the back it says if you have an iOS, like an iPhone, this is where the Wi-Fi can come, like where you can like use the app. And then Android for like other things, you do this QR code and it takes you to the app. And this QR code is guide video. If you need the guide video, the guide video is in this manual as well. So yeah, I'll put this right here. And then if we close this, and then just the carry case. This is everything it comes with. It's actually a lot of things for a good price. For $100, this is actually really good. Okay, so yeah, this is it. So I'll put the propeller guards on the drone now. Let's see how good the propeller guards are. Okay, so the propeller guards are right here. Comes with 4 propeller guards. 1, 2, 3, and then the last one, 4th. Oh, the screwdriver came with it. It has a screwdriver as well for the changing propellers. That's pretty useful if you don't have one at home. And then right here, it comes with 4 propellers and 4 screws, so you can change out the screws. It comes with 4 propellers, not 8, even though there's 16. No, there's 8 on the thing, but you come with extra 4. So when you crash it and then 2 break, you can just change it up with 2. And if you run out, you'll have to buy some separate. But yeah, put these back in. Yeah, so yeah, that's really it for this video. Please subscribe, like, share, and as always, have a good day. Bye bye.